Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a pre-owned unit that we just got in. It is a toy hauler. It is a different style. It is an older one, but I really like it. I want to see what you guys think of it. And for the price right now, absolutely perfect. It's very, very low. I think it's, I'll have to tell you when I get in there, but I also want to let you know that I do this for fun. I make these videos for fun. I actually do work at the Waco office. So if you guys are interested, please call, text, email, or come see me and ask for Rachel. All right, let's go. Alright guys, a work and play. Now I don't know the year, let's see, a 2011 work and play model, I think it's 34RLS. It is a nice, different style for sure. They did keep it in good condition, especially for it being a 2011. Let's take a look. It's got an awning on this side. All right. There is your garage door, or whatever you might call it. It is a Forest River product, so let's take a look inside. All right, so like I said, it is a different layout and I do love it. So right when you walk in, to my right are some steps, and this is going to be where you put your bed up here. You do have entertainment right there, some drawers and storage, a little cubby or shelf on the back with a mirror, windows on both sides. And the thing is, when you put your bed up here, you still have room to get around on each side. Got lights as well. And then here are the stairs, and the floor is in great condition as well. And then over here to my over to my left is the sink and counter. Nice size sink. There's two sides, and then you do have a 3-burner. You've got an oven, and you've got a microwave. You've got storage on top and storage on bottom. And then on my other side, we have our bathroom. Plenty of space here. A nice size shower, actually. It's very good size. And then you do have a nice sink and your mirror with storage below. Little shelf right there. And then you do have some more storage right there. But a nice size. You're not going to bump your knees when you're sitting in here, which is always nice. And then you have a nice size fridge as well. So plenty of room for all your goods. The freezer on top, and then storage above and on the sides. You've got your couch here. Of course, it will go into a bed, and then across is going to be your dinette, and then you do have your entertainment right up there. Windows on both sides, and then storage right above. And then through this glass door, we have our toy garage, whatever you may call it. But plenty of space here, a lot of space. And then you do have, it has couches on both sides. Of course, that goes into a bed. So if you needed an extra bed, definitely can make one back here. Got some shelves on both sides. Speakers in here as well. Very nice. Very nice. And it does have a screen that can be pulled down. So if you have your garage, your patio, if you're sitting out, you can pull this screen down. All the bugs won't get in. I love that idea. I really, really like that. So love this. I want to know what you guys think. Please call, text, email, come see me, ask for Rachel if you guys have, any questions or you want to see it. Would love to help you out. But until next time, guys.